How to properly clear other system data on your iPhone. First, open the messaging app. Now go ahead and click on filters that is on the top left corner. You want to head over to the recently deleted. You can delete any of the recently deleted messages from here. You can do that by separately selecting them, or you can directly click on delete all that is on the bottom left corner. Moving on, you want to head over to your phone settings. You want to head over to the Generals tab. Now that you are on this page, you can see iPhone storage. Under recommendations, you can see offload unused files. You can do this when you're low on storage. So if you want to do that, go ahead and click on enable. You don't have to worry, this is going to save your data and documents. Finally, what you may do is you want to delete some unused files. For that, you have to go to the app manually. By following these steps, you can delete some of the other system data on your iPhone. This is going to free up some storage space for you. Do keep in mind that not all system data can be cleared, and some data may be essential for proper functioning of your device. So that is how you properly clear other system data on your iPhone. Hope I was able to help you out. Thank you for watching.